Check out our newest feature release. This one relates specifically to the affiliate system. Now you have the ability to delete affiliates. Effortlessly delete affiliates with enhanced control over your affiliate network. This is great for just keeping those affiliate lists clean and making sure that you don't have anybody in there you're no longer working with. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. This is a simple update, but it's a significant update because this is going to allow you to quickly and easily delete affiliates through a simple process. Deleting an affiliate includes the removal of all associated leads, customers, commissions, and payouts linked to the affiliate. It's also going to empower you with the ability to manage your affiliates effortlessly by removing individuals you no longer wish to be a part of your affiliate program. So let's go into marketing in the left-hand navigation. In the upper navigation, I want you to click on the affiliate manager and drop down and select affiliate. Now to delete any affiliate, I want you to go ahead and locate that affiliate and then click on the kebab, which is the 3 vertical dots in the gray circle. Once you click on that, you're going to see a pop-up navigation and you're going to click on delete affiliate. When you see that pop up, you're going to go ahead and be able to delete that affiliate. This is a very seamless process and it's very easy to use. There's no need to keep affiliates in that you've either been testing with or maybe you just aren't working with that affiliate anymore. We hope you enjoy this new feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.